Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool material right here, and basically what this is a dog seat cover that you can put in the back seat in your car. If you guys can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here. So for this product, they mentioned how it's actually anti-tear, anti-scratch, water resistant or waterproof. It also has like a non-slip material to prevent it from like moving around when you guys actually use it. And they mentioned how it's really easy to set it up. Literally all you can do is open up the product, and you probably need to hang certain parts on your seat. And obviously it's super easy to maintain as well. If you guys need to clean it, simply use like a vacuum, or if you guys want to use like a brush to clean it off, or even if you guys want to use like a wet piece of paper and wipe it down, or like a towel as well. You can definitely clean it however you guys want to, but this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. When you guys take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. So they provide you guys this piece of paper right here with all the information on here in terms of how to set up and how to use it, and also teach you guys how to clean it as well in the back right here. But basically the product comes in this very nice little bag right here that's also water resistant in terms of the bag right here. But when you guys open it up, when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. It's all nicely folded up, but let's open it up. So they definitely have all these attachment parts right here that you guys want to attach onto your car. So it's really cool how they provide you guys this option right here. So that way if you guys want to put this into your buckle seat and you guys want to attach this onto your dog, so that way your dog cannot run away and keep them secure in the car and keep them safe. You definitely have the option available if you guys want to use this, which is pretty cool. And it is stretchable right here as well, which is pretty nice. And when you guys fully open it up, you guys see it's very big. So this is basically what it looks like here. Let me rotate it this way. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like on the other side right here on top. So you see it on the top part right here. I'm assuming this part you guys want to attach it onto your seat. And then basically on the bottom part here, you guys want to put this side right here where the seat is. So that way your pet has room to actually sit on and everything. And that prevents any like pet hair or whatever getting all over the car. And when you guys flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like on this side right here. When we rotate it this way, this is basically what it looks like on this side. So if you can see on the material right here, they definitely have like the non-slip material right here to prevent it from like moving around once you guys fully set it up. If I bring it a little bit closer, you can kind of see the material right there. And also on the bottom part here, they give you guys this hand option right here, so that way if you guys need to carry it around, or if you guys need to lift this up, you definitely have that option in the bottom right here. Same thing for this side as well, as you see. So they have one here and they have one down there as well. And then you see right here, they do have a strap option. So I'm assuming you guys can use that to strap it underneath like your seat area. So that way actually secure the actual product from like moving around and actually give you guys a complete setup. And for this product, it actually fits like almost any type of cars. Whether you guys have a family car, SUV, pickup truck, or whatever, it should fit almost any type of car. They do provide guys the measurements, so you definitely want to do your own research to see when it actually fits in your car first. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels really nice. It actually feels really soft as well. It definitely has like the water resistant material on here. And when you guys try to scratch it, it won't scratch or anything because the material on here is actually high quality. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually go install this and show you guys how to set it up and also show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. Definitely looks pretty nice. Give you guys that full on coverage, even on the sides right here, and even on the bottom part right here as well. And if you guys want to use the buckle option, you can definitely buckle this part in. And then you basically have the option right here to adjust the headrest option right here to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. And basically for the bottom part right here, there's an option for you guys to push this inside right here to lock it in and hold it in. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up. So definitely have a good coverage on the actual product here. If you can see when you put your pet on here, it definitely looks pretty nice. It definitely gives you guys that all-around protection for the whole entire car seat right here. If you can see how well it works. And then if you guys want to use the buckle option right here, you guys can buckle in right here. And then the other side, let me put this into a dog leash if they have one right here. But right now I don't have a leash on my dog, so I don't need to do that. But you definitely have the option right here to leash it if you guys want to. But this is basically what the product looks like when you guys fully assemble it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, you definitely see that she does work. Actually works quite well. Super easy to install the product. As long as you guys follow the instructions on how to actually set it up, then you should be fine. But you see, once we actually fully set up the product, it actually works really, really well. That way you guys get a full coverage in the back seat, so that way your pet can actually sit inside your car. And I really like the fact of how this product is so portable, so that way if you guys want to fold it back up and then put it back into the bag that they provide for you guys, you definitely have that option available. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you got one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for a high quality dog seat cover for your car that is anti-scratch, water resistant or waterproof, and also has that full on coverage for your back seat. If you guys are trying to look for a pet seat cover that looks exactly the one that we have right here with all the different benefits that's included, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.